Every company is trying to improve its processes, but rarely gets the chance to see how others do it from the inside. This is the idea behind Lean Champions. Real environments, real processes, and open exchange between manufacturing companies. This is not about theory, it's about real challenges, solutions, and approaches that already work. This is not about polished presentations. It's about questions, comparison, and an honest look at how different companies operate. Meeting number 2 for 2026 took place at AQ Plastronic AD. The team didn't just show their processes, they created space for real dialogue.
Прилагайки инструментите на Lean, това, което ние на практика прилагаме в производството, е повишаване на ефективността, на производителността и по-гъвкав отговор към клиента. Това е и причината да насърчим участието на завода в тази инициатива.